Astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams have been trapped on the International Space Station since they took off in June. Supposed to be like a 9-day mission. They're not coming back until 2025 now, thanks to Boeing's Starliner, and what a piece of shit it is. And Butch decided he was going to give a listen to the now abandoned Starliner, and this is what he heard. Now, some people are saying, hey, those are alien heartbeats, get the fuck out now, Butch and Suni. NASA's official explanation went something along the lines of, feedback from electrical currents or interference, or I don't know what the hell they said. And I'll tell you, it's a good thing that Butch doesn't have a set of Turtle Beach headphones up there, because he would hear every little peep coming out of that Starliner. So what do you think? Is Butch going insane?
Oh, yeah!